Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll talk about that how we can send our code or how we can move our code from one environment to the another environment. Suppose this is my hospital management application and this application needs to be moved from this dev 11052 environment. This is my developer environment. I need to move all my code from dev 110521 to this dev 76606. This is my stage environment or test environment. So today's topics is all about how we can migrate our code from one environment to the another environment. Normally ServiceNow have a one option called update sets. Through the update set we can move our applications or we can move our all the codes from one environment to the another environment. So let's get started. To move the code from dev to stage or from one environment to the another environment, you just need to be think about that which is your source environment and which is your target environment. So our case, the source environment is the dev 110521 and the target environment is dev 76006. So this is my target environment. So the target environment, what you have to do, you have to type the update source, and under this update source you will be able to see there will be one record. If there is no record, you need to create a records. Okay, so our case, we are going to create a remote instance. So click new and it will help you to create a new remote instance. Here we'll put our environment name. So our case is our environment name is this one. We copy and paste here. This is our environment name, and here you need to define that which types of environment that is. So our case it is development environment, and URL I'll put this current URL. In username I'll put that environment username and password. So let me quickly put that username and password. After putting username and password, make sure that the update remote instance is active, and you can put some short description here. I can put that development instance. Once you create that, click the test connection. So to connect that connection between two environment, and once it is showing that connection is okay, it means that your username and password is absolutely correct. You just save this environment. So it means that you remotely connect your environment from this upper environment to the lower environment. This is your lower environment. Now next step is that if you go to the local update set, there will be a lot of update set that you are going to create. Okay, but if you see here, all this complete update set can be only pulled from one environment to the another environment. All this complete update set, so this is the lower environment where all the update set are complete. Step 3 updates set are complete. So if I click here retrieve complete update set, it will be pull all this complete update set from lower environment to the higher environment, and from there only we will be able to retrieve and get all the lower environment update set. So you can see it is right now running, and it is pulling all the update set from the lower environment to the higher environment. So it is just now successfully. If I close this pop-up, you will be able to see that there is a 3 update set which is right now completed. So we just pull these 3 updates set. Now the next step is that how we can move our hospital management application from these our lower environment to the higher environment. So go back to your hospital applications. You click here, you will be able to see this is the hospital management application. What you have to do, you have to click publish to update set. Once you click the publish to update set, there will be one pop-up. Here you can define the version. Along with that, you can put some descriptions called complete update set, and then you can include demo data or exclude. Include demo data means whatever data is present to these tables, during this table all this data will be copied and captured. So just now after that you click the publish. Once you click the publish, it will be create a update set, and all the data will be moved from this all this data will be captured in this update set. So let's click the done options. Now you can see there is a update set called hospital management. In the complete state, it have a description, whatever description we have put, and inside that there are a lot of customer updates. It means a lot of objects. Okay, a lot of objects is there. Now if I go to the higher environment and again click retrieve complete update set, I'll get that hospital management update set right now. So let's wait for that. So now you can see it is saying that one update set is retrieved and preview. Three update set were not retrieved because they are already exist. Because these three update sets were already exist, only one update set right now pull, and that update set is hospital management. And all these update set state is right now is in retrieved update set. Now if I go to this another module called retrieve update set, I will be able to see these four update set name. And if I do a loaded on J2A, I can see this loaded is less than a minute, and these are 2 minutes ago loaded. Okay, now what we have to do, you can see that update source from where it is pulled. You have to open this hospital management update set, and here there are four issue you can see which are not they have some issues like the criteria is might not be in the global scope or all those stuff. You just accept if or skip depending on your use case, if you want to if you want to store these to your application or not. And then once you click commit, the update set will be committed and all your development will be moved from dev environment to stage environment, or maybe lower environment to this upper environment, or any, like it can be bi-directional also. So it can be moved from one that your code, the hospital management is right now come from this dev 115 0521 to this environment. So it is committing right now. I'll just quickly configure and developer and then put that show update set and show application on the header. Now it's successfully completed. Close this one and refresh our applications or ServiceNow instance. If you type hospital, you can see the hospital management application is migrated to this environment from the lower environments. Okay, along with that you can just type that hospital, that our application, this module is available, and then there is no such data because it's a new environment. Okay, so that's how you can move your the applications completely from from one instance to the another instance through the update set. Thank you very much. That's it for today. If you like my video, please subscribe and like. Let me know if you have any comments in my comment sections.